All new working codes in Blue Log Rivals. In this video, we'll be going over and actually showing you every single new code in Blue Log Rivals. And we're getting a NEL RIN flow rework. So in the next update, it's actually going to be NEL RIN. NEL RIN! NEL RIN! Finally in the game. But first, guys, if you actually do want to redeem all these codes, just click on the code bar right here, and we're going to show you every single working code for Blue Log Rivals. You can actually get yourself tons and tons of money as well as lucky spins. They have added some crazy codes, so be sure to like the video and subscribe. Do not miss out on any of these codes, because if you do so, you're not gonna get all the rewards. The first code is going to be a secret code. It's going to be the Chem code reaction exclamation point. So this is the code, this is the actual code. Chemical reaction exclamation point. 10 lucky flow spins. 10 lucky flow spins. The exclamation mark is very important. Do not miss out on the exclamation mark, because otherwise you will not actually be able to redeem this code. And we do have some extra slots. Okay, we have some extra slots to be given away, so if you do want the extra slot, be sure to comment down below NEL RIN, comment down below NEL RIN, just like this, so you're actually be able to get yourself some extra slots. NEL RIN, that's exactly how you should type it. The next code is the Otoya code. The one and only Otoya code. Be sure to redeem Otoya, as well as follow the event, guys. Follow the event. If you actually go to Blue Log's Rivals, follow the event. You have to follow the event so you can actually get another code. If you follow the event, you'll be able to get another code. Follow the event. If you follow the event, the new RIN style will be here. So NEL RIN, that is going to be the new rework style. This is probably an upcoming code, so we hope we can actually get this code right away. There is probably a NEL RIN 1.5 million code that will be dropping, because how many people they're actually interested in joining this event. There will be a new code if enough people join the event, and this is how it works. You see, this is the event, and if you join the follow the event right here, follow the event, and we'll be getting a code if there is a lot of people following. Right now we have 1.2 million, and I believe the developers will get a code if there's like 1.5 or 1.8 million. Last time it was 1.8 million, so I'm not really sure what's gonna be this time. Anyways, these are all the working codes in Blue Log's Rivals. Like the video, subscribe.